Bring it down slowly. To the left, watch the clearance.
That weld looks smooth now.
Good. The forklift is ready for the next one.
According to the data here, this section is within tolerance.
Yes, the scan confirms it. Let's move to the next one.
Surface looks good. Check the thickness over there.
Seems consistent with the specs. We can move it to assembly.
Make sure the calibration is accurate on sector 4. The readings look good here. I'm sending the data now.
Tighten that connection, please.
Yes, almost there.
Okay, we are good to go.
Hold it there. We need a slight adjustment to the east side.
Roger, moving east 5 degrees.
Slow it down just a few more inches.
Copy that, holding steady.
Bring it across to bay 4.
Slow descent initiated. Hold at 15 meters and check alignment on the east side.
Looks good from here.
All right, bring it down 50 centimeters. Hold it there.
Keep it steady, watch the pressure. Right there, bring it down slowly. Clear on this side. Easy now, bring it down slowly.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Looks good, keep coming down.
A little more to the left, hold it there.
Okay, give it a few good whacks.
Perfect, that's locked in tight.
Okay, hold position, wait for alignment confirmation.
Crane, hold position at Tango 9er.
Copy that. Steady descent.
Robotics, engage mounting sequence, slow and precise. Holding at 3.89 amps. Noted. Pressure levels are stable.
Wait,
The current is spiking to 4.89.
A little to the left.
Okay, holding steady. Bring it down 5 more feet.
Okay, bring it down another 5 meters. Watch the alignment on the multiplexer. Hold steady there.
Right here is where the main conduits connect. We monitor the flow rates from this access point during the static fire test.
Lower it slowly, just a few more inches. Hold it there.
Looks stable now.
Check the alignment on sector 4.
Look at that integration. It's flawless. It's flawless. You say that every time, Mark. I cannot believe we actually got that alignment perfect on the first try.
It's about time something went smoothly around here.
Did you check the torque on the main manifold?
Yes, calibrating the sensor now. We are good for stage 3 integration.
Just a little more pressure on segment 7. Confirmed.
All right, bring her down slow and steady. Watch the clearance.
Looking good.
Confirm secure on the stand.
Ensure the grid fins are calibrated correctly for re-entry.
And verify the structural integrity around the coupling mechanism.
We have green across the board.
Hangar doors open. Copy that. Moving out.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Keep it steady. Move it slowly to the left. Watch the clearance on the hangar door.
Escort 1, package is secure and entering the bay.
Copy that. Gantry, you are clear for approach. Maintain current vector.
Watch your spacing on the east side. Keep it steady. Copy that. Moving up slowly.
After 80 years buried deep in the forest, this millet truck was not just discovered, it was brought back to life.
We are approaching the final minute of the count. All systems are green.